So all I want you to do is to determine the vertex of the following parabola by averaging the x-intercepts, then write the equation in graphing form. Okay, so remember, graphing form is y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. So to get the vertex by averaging, I have to first figure out what the x-intercepts are. So I need to factor this. So I get x squared 28. So 28x squared minus 11x. So 1 times 28, 2 times 14. Is that right? Yeah, 2 times 14. 3 doesn't go into it, 4 and 7. And so this is positive, this is negative. So to get that, we need two negatives. So that means we're adding these. So then we're going to get 4x and 7x, negative 4x and negative 7x. And so then we put them in our box here and we factor. So we have x squared and negative 7x. We have x in common. X times what gives me x squared x. X times what gives me negative 4x, which would be negative 4. Negative 4 times what gives me 28 is negative 7. So that tells me that my x-intercepts are going to be x minus 4 times x minus 7. So x equals 4 and x equals 7. So I want to average my x-intercepts. So average x-intercepts. And so that's going to look like taking 4 plus 7 divided by 2, which is 11 divided by 2, which is 5.5. So then what I want to do is I want to find the y value. And so this is going to be 5.5 squared minus 11 times 5.5 plus 28. So if you put this into your calculator, you get negative 2.25. So we know that y equals, and I know a equals 1 from the original equation. So this is going to be a is 1, so I don't have to write that in. And so then I'm going to get x. I want this to be positive 5.5, so it's going to be x minus 5.5 squared, and then minus 2.25.